Across gardens worldwide, a paradox persists. We water diligently, yet our plants often struggle. Despite frequent watering, leaves yellow, growth stalls, and plants wither. The issue isn't the amount of water, but how we deliver it. Most water evaporates before reaching the roots, leaving plants thirsty and roots shallow. Shallow roots make plants vulnerable to heat, wind, and drought. Surface watering also compacts soil, causes runoff, and washes away nutrients. Much of the water beads on leaves or runs off, wasted. This dampness can breed fungal diseases, turning gardening into a frustrating cycle. Gardeners end up watering more often, using more time and resources for little gain. The real problem is our disconnection from natural processes that have sustained plants for centuries. Maybe the answer isn't more technology, but rediscovering ancient wisdom. Ancient farmers faced the same challenge: how to water efficiently, especially in dry climates. Their answer? Ollas, unglazed terracotta pots buried in the soil and filled with water. These porous pots slowly release water underground, right at the roots, bypassing evaporation. Used for thousands of years across many cultures, ollas are a testament to working with nature. No moving parts, no electricity, just clay, water, and soil in harmony. For modern gardeners, ollas offer a way to conserve water, save time, and grow healthier plants. By adopting ollas, we reconnect with a timeless tradition that values balance over force. Ollas work through soil moisture tension, a natural, silent exchange between dry soil and water in the pot. The unglazed clay's pores hold water until the surrounding soil dries and pulls moisture out. As roots absorb water, the soil's tension draws more from the olla, delivering steady hydration right where it's needed. This demand-driven system prevents overwatering and keeps soil consistently moist. Unlike surface watering, ollas avoid the feast or famine cycle, reducing plant stress. Water loss to evaporation is nearly eliminated. Roots grow deep, seeking the steady moisture, making plants stronger and more drought-resistant. Deep roots anchor plants and access more nutrients. The olla system encourages resilience and self-sufficiency in plants. It's a simple, self-regulating loop that mimics nature's own rhythms. The benefits of ollas are immediate and profound. Water waste drops dramatically. Almost every drop goes to the roots. Gardeners save time, as ollas need refilling only every few days. Plants thrive with steady moisture, growing stronger and more resilient to heat and drought. Fewer weeds sprout, since the soil surface stays dry. Dry foliage means less disease. Ollas are ideal for thirsty crops and young trees, building deep, healthy roots. With ollas, you're not just watering. You're creating a thriving, low-maintenance ecosystem. Bringing ollas into your garden is simple. Choose unglazed terracotta pots, bury them up to the neck and fill with water. Cover the opening to prevent evaporation and pests. Plant seeds or seedlings around each olla, letting roots grow toward the water. Add a thick layer of mulch to keep soil cool, suppress weeds, and enrich the earth. Ollas require no electricity or maintenance, just refill as needed. This ancient method outshines modern systems in simplicity and sustainability. By embracing ollas, we reconnect with nature's wisdom and create gardens that flourish with less effort.